Right, so today we're going to be doing a thin line bracelet. Really easy to do and really good if you want to make a bracelet with 3 colours. Right, so I have 2 cords. They're both about 6 feet long. At the bottom I've sealed everything up, snip and singed it, and I've just got a simple cow's hitch at the bottom, and then at the top buckle I've just come up and through like that. And first of all we're going to do a simple cobra weave to start off with. So I'm doing I always start on the left hand side, I don't know why. That goes over the top, the right hand cord goes underneath, out the other side, but we're not tightening it up yet because my highlight cord is going to poke down through the middle like that, and I've got about 4 inches stuck out the end like that. I'm going to flip that highlight cord up the top and then pull on that cobra weave like that. Now I'm going to bring the highlight cord down and then do another cobra weave over the top. This one goes underneath, out the back like that. Put it all together. Make sure that highlight cord is going down the middle like this when I pull everything down. That way I know it's going to be straight. Flip it up and do it again. Over the top. The other cord goes underneath, out the other side, put it up together, flip that highlight cord down, make sure it goes in between the black and orange cord like that, and there you go. Now on YouTube you might see these and they're called a thin blue line bracelet because people, I don't know if they still do, but people used to give these out to police. They used to be black with a blue line down the middle, but my local team Luton Town plays in 3 colours, so I'm making bracelets and lanyards like this. Anyway, you keep going down the bracelet until you get to the end, and I'll show you what to do then. So there's the bracelet so far, looking good. What I'm going to do is just snip and singe these ends here, these side bits here, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do with these white bits. So I've got my white piece here. I've put a fid on the end, and with my knotter's tool, what I'm going to do is poke down through about 2 or 3 pieces here, like that, and then poke the fid through, like that. This is quite hard to do. Pull it through like that. Do the same on the other end. You poke the fid through these 2 bits here, right at the top, like that. Put it through, get that twist out like that. Then I'm going to do exactly the same on this side. I'm just going to poke my knotter's tool down through a couple of holes here like that, and I'm going to poke it through the opposite way as well. Just make it easier to get that fid through like that. You don't need a fid, but I think it helps. So I poked it through there on that side, and I've done the same on that side. And now all I'm going to do is snip and singe these bits here. I'm going to really fold it over so that when I press it into the buckle it goes quite flat. So there you go, that is how to make a thin line bracelet or with a buckle. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.